Meet the smallest monkey in the world. The pygmy marmoset. An adult will fit in the palm of your hand. But these little gremlins do have a surprisingly predatory side. Their spring-loaded legs can launch them up to 3 meters. Curved claws grip like mini grappling hooks. They'll eat pretty much anything they can grab. But not all is what it seems. This caterpillar's impression of a deadly snake is so convincing, it's scary.